Welcome back, Crammers, to question 7. In a field, there are 60 sheep and 24 cows. Find the ratio of sheep to the number of cows. Give your ratio in its simplest form. So sheep are given as 60 and cows are given to 24. Now we have to find the highest common factor in order to simplify this. I can say that 60 and 24 are both divisible by 12. So I can simply write here 60 divided by 12 is 5, and 24 divided by 12 is 2. And since we can't simplify that any further, that's our final answer. In a barn, there are only white ducks and brown ducks. In the barn, the ratio of white ducks to brown ducks is 3:7. What fraction of the ducks in the barn is white? So we know that white is 3, and fraction of ducks in the whole barn. So we have to find the total. So 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So we simply write here 10. Our fraction is 3/10. Giles and Sarah share some bales of hay in the ratio 11:4. Sarah receives 20 bales of hay. Work out how many bales of hay are shared in total. So we can see here that Sarah receives 20 bales of hay even though her share is only 4. So you can write 20 divided by 4 is 1 unit. So we simply multiply by 11. 20 divided by 4 is simply 5. So 5 times 11 is equal to 55. And we have to find the total. So 55 plus Sarah's share, which is 20, is simply equal to 75. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.